Through our technology, we offer scalable, fast, and quality content localization experience for our clients across the world. Hi everyone, I'm Ebru. I'm the CEO and founder of Ollang. Before deep diving into our product, let me tell you the story behind it, right? Netflix dubbed millions of minutes into other language only in last year, and more than 50% of their revenue came through localization. Another very good example is YouTube. As we're speaking here right now, every hour more than 2 million minutes of content is uploaded to YouTube every hour. And you see all these huge companies, Disney, Netflix, YouTube, Spotify, they have one common goal, which is to go global, to acquire more users across the world. In order to go global, they have to localize, because imagine a Netflix in Korea without any subtitle or dubbing. That wouldn't work, right? They have to. So today, they only have two options in order to do their localization. The first option is dubbing studios, which is generally good quality. However, it is very expensive. At the same time, it takes a lot of time to finish dubbing because of the operations. The second option is AI dubbing, which is very cheap, at the same time very fast. However, the quality is not good enough. As Ollang, we are merging the power of human intelligence with the AI automation, and we created a technology that we call Ollang Augmented Intelligence. Through our technology, we offer scalable, fast, and quality content localization experience for our clients across the world. Through our dashboards, they can simply create their projects, and it's 5 times faster than any other platform on earth. And they can create their projects in more than 50 languages, and also they can manage their team across different parts of the world. It's very simple to use the platform. Here are a little bit screenshots of how we are doing it. Instantly creating their projects, follow up the progress, and at the same time just download whenever the project is done. What happens at the backside is something very complicated and sophisticated. We are using AI in 3 components, which is speech to text, AI translation, and text to speech. We've been working with amazing clients across the world, including Netflix itself and YouTube, as long as a lot of TV channels in different parts of the world, in United States, MENA region, Italy, France, and Korea. Of course, in this huge area, we have a lot of competitors, which are in some ways good in their own specific areas. However, what makes Ollang really different is Ollang is the only one-stop shop in the whole world which provides end-to-end globalization experience. And thanks to our own algorithms developed internally by amazing Ollang team members, we can create a very amazing workflow with more than 40 algorithms. And also, we have API integrations with Google, Azure, etc., as well as creating our own unique voices. We are the right team to do this. I have more than 15 years of experience in translation. I've done simultaneous interpreting, so my gratitude goes to the simultaneous interpreters today. And my co-founder and CTO, he has also experience in computer science. He is one of the best developers I've ever met in my life. He failed 2 startups previously. And we are building the future of AI with AI dubbing. Thank you very much for listening. I have a little video that I want to show before we wrap up. Very little for the voices.
Although Paxa was caught, the victims never got a word of apology out of him.
Paxa being arrested wasn't the end of it all. If he's labeled as a demon, the millions of others who had participated in those chat rooms would seem less evil by comparison.
By referring to himself as a demon, it seemed like he was trying to put himself on a pedestal. Not demon meaning bad, almost as if he was boasting that his deeds were unparalleled.
All these voices are generated by AI. Thank you.